Okay. Let's begin our class. Okay. Do you remember what you learned last class? No one remember? Okay. Okay, in the first is still the review, okay? The first letter E, U, Ye, Yue. Somebody can read for me? I want to check. Did you get? Nobody here?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. How about other students? Can you turn on your microphone and talk with me? And we'll learn together. Okay. Anyway, okay, the first sentence is, somebody can read for me? No one? Oh my God. Okay. The first one is 我害怕鲨鱼. What's that?
我害怕鲨鱼。
Okay. How about the second one?
No, I didn't remember that.
我买了一件新衣服。
Oh, who is talking? Okay. Okay. Is 我买了一件新衣服. Okay.
我买了一件新衣服。
Yes. Remember very well. Okay.
I bought a new dress.
Yes. What's this? How about this?
买一件读一页书。
Yeah. Okay.
月
Last
亮很大。
Yes. Okay. All the sentences from last class, but do you remember what the letter we learned last class? Can you guys read this for me?
Y,
Mm-hmm.
Y,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah,
Yue.
yeah,
Yes, it's yue. Okay.
yeah.
Now we will learn the new one.
晶体认读云家。
Yes, we will learn the new one.
Integral.
Okay, the first one is
云
yin,
云
yin,
Kenapa lo? Win
yin,
yin
yin, yin,
yin
Yin. Yin.
yes, yin,
yin
yes. Okay, so how about with the full tongue? Okay, can you read for me?
yin 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 yin.
Yin. Yin.
What's this?
Yin. Yin. Yin.
Okay. In Chinese, all the letters have the words. So some words in the normal life we can say. So I gave some example. Let's learn it. Okay. The first one with in, we have the
in
word
way,
因为. Yes, 因为.
Yeah.
But the correct is 因为.
Yeah.
Normally we say
因为.
因为. Yes.
因为.
因为
Yes.
银行
This 音乐.
音乐
Yeah.
Yes.
That's music.
Oh, yeah, that's music.
music
Yes. Okay. With 银, how about
银
银?
行
Yinhan. That's bank. Bank.
Uh-huh.
bank
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yinhan.
Okay. How about this?
引用
Yin.
You know what is 引用?
Wussy.
No.
Wussy.
What?
Dog. Oh.
It's called how
Backing.
can we call?
How a dog back? It is called what?
It's this is do you know the word called Quote? Quote. It's kind of like you use this word from you use this sentence is from other article or other some words. So you use that. It's not make by yourself, but you can use this word 引用. Okay.
Yin.
You
引用
understand?
No, we don't.
Mm.
You don't understand. What does it mean?
You know
Yeah,
the
yeah.
word called? Quote.
What?
Quote. The English
You-
word.
oh.
Quote.
O
Q.
Quote. Quote. Quote.
Yeah, quote.
Okay, to quote.
Yes, it's 引用.
To quote a sentence, or? Okay.
Yes, it's 引用. Okay, remember
引用.
this word. Okay. And how about this? Do you know?
It's
how
miss.
to
Miss.
pronounce-
Miss.
小姐
Yes, Miss.
小
is
姐.
小姐. How about
It means
together?
miss. Yeah.
How about together?
Which word is the first? Which character is the first one? The red one.
The red one is this one. How to pronounce this one?
How to pronounce which one?
云
Yin what?
Yin 小姐.
Yes, you get it. Yin 小姐. Yes, this word.
So it means
is
Miss
引用.
小姐. Yin.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yin
Miss
is
小姐.
Yin is a Chinese last word. Okay. The name last word. Okay. Last name.
Okay.
Last name in Chinese. Okay.
Okay. Last word. Okay.
How about this? 打印.
Da.
打印
In.
打
Da.
印.
In.
Yeah, 打
打
印
印.
is print. Okay.
printer
Print something. 打印.
Da. In.
Okay, you got it?
yes
Yeah.
I use four letters make one sentence. That will be longer. So we can read one by one. So how about this? Just we learn.
因为
Wait. What's
因
this?
为云小街的音乐很有名，很多银行都在播放。
Yes.
Because it's
How about
因
other?
为因为殷小姐的音乐很有名，很多银行都在播放。
Yes. Okay. Actually, this is kind of like a funny sentence. This sentence is make by me. So use the words 你好. So I make this sentence, but actually, Chinese bank will not to play the music. So it's just make a sentence. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how to read this? How to
云
read
小
this?
街。
Which one?
This one. 3 words.
殷小姐，殷小姐，
音小姐，银行
What's this?
播
Which
放
one?
播放
This one, the last one.
The last one. 播放 yeah.
Do you know what is 播放?
播放。
播放 playing
You know what's that? Okay.
To play something.
Yeah. Okay.
Cloud.
Next one.
云
Yun. Yes. Yun.
cloud
Cloud.
云
Okay. Yun.
云
Yes.
云
Read one by one.
音音云韵
I think you need to separate the first tone and the second tone. Can you read one more time?
音音韵韵
The second one is yun. Yun.
韵
I can't see anything again. I'm coming. Okay, I'm okay.
Oh, now it's okay?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay. Can you read?
Yun, yun.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay. The first time, yun, I make a word.
晕倒
Yun dao. Do you know what is yun dao?
Now.
I don't know
No.
Easy.
It means what?
Easy.
Easy.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, like this. This one person lay down. Like this. Easy is 晕倒. Okay?
easy
Easy.
一样
Do you
简单
understand what is easy?
It's not cross.
The girl, can you understand the easy?
What? Meet or cross?
It's kind of like somebody suddenly fall down.
And fall down.
Like this person. Okay? With the second tongue, can you read? 晕.
So yin dao means to fall down, right?
Yes.
It means to fall down, right?
Yeah. It's like the person fall down and you cannot wake up him. Okay. It's easy.
Okay.
The mind is gone.
He's in coma. Do you mean coma? Being in coma. Hello? When somebody is in coma. Yeah, is that what you mean? That he is in coma.
Yeah, it seems something
The
that.
person will recover later, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, so he's in coma.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How about this?
Yun Tai.
Yun Cai.
Yun Cai.
Is
Yun means cloud.
yes, is also cloud. We can say
A
Yun.
cloud.
Also, we can say Yun Cai.
Yun Tai.
Yun Cai. Okay.
When you use the word 云彩, it can make the sentence, the article, sound like beautiful. You say 云 just when you talk, then we can just use 云. That's all right. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. The next, how about this?
允
许
允许
允许。
允许
Do you know what is 允许?
No.
Is allow.
What?
Is what?
Allow.
Hello?
I allow you to.
I love as in what
Admit. Okay. Allow. Admit.
允许
Yes.
it means love, right?
Allow
Yes,
is
yes.
allow.
No,
Allow.
not love. Not allow.
Allow.
Is allow. Allow.
Allow.
Admit.
To permit.
To admit.
Allow. Admit. Allow. 允许.
Okay, admit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
允许.
You get it?
允许
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one. 允时.
允许
允许
允时 is the early.
is what?
Is kind of like around light. The stone is from the sky and fall down to the earth or to somewhere. You can. Can you see the picture?
Yeah, we can see.
Yes, this picture is 陨石.
Okay.
Yes. So when I search this word in English, I guess this word so deep in English, so I'm afraid you guys don't know this word.
允许.
Let me see. Can you read again? 陨石.
允许.
Yes. Another word is the falling stone, right? In English.
Yeah. Okay.
Stone.
First time. Okay. 允许.
Yeah. Okay. Next one. 运输.
运输.
运输
运输 is you send something to somewhere. Transpiration. 运输.
exploration. Okay.
Transpiration.
Okay. 运输.
Sure.
Can you read this?
Why?
Yes.
Why? Spoil. It means spoil.
怀孕
It means spoil, right? Why? Why? Like 我的手机坏了。
不是一搞会的。
This word is different with broken. It's different. 怀孕
It's
怀
different.
孕 it means
Different.
it's
Not the same thing. Not the same.
pregnancy.
Okay.
怀孕 is pregnancy. The
Okay.
broken is 坏, right? You say your phone is broken, right?
Broken. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, that broken is 坏. This 怀孕怀孕 is pregnancy. Okay?
Pregnancy.
Pregnancy. Like this woman.
Pregnancy. Okay.
The woman in the womb have a baby, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
that
it's
is
what? Way in, right?
怀孕
Way in. Okay. That's
怀
pregnancy.
和 I 怀
Way in.
Yes, 怀孕
Okay. Way in. Pregnancy.
Okay. Everybody got it?
Yes.
是的，我的老师。
Okay. How about the girl? I cannot hear the girl's voice.
Yes.
Are you there? My friend, are you there?
Okay.
Remind me of your name again. 一颗
What's this?
云
陨石穿过
过云山见
穿过一颗陨石穿过
降落 OK 降落
云层
落下云了
落下云了怀孕的女人
Yes. 吓晕了怀孕的女人
女人 means women, right?
Yes, 女人 is woman. And 吓晕了 is frightening. You so scared something and make you fall down and dizzy. It's frightening. Okay? Frightening, 吓晕。一颗陨石穿过云层降落。Every together. 一颗陨石穿过云层降落。
一颗陨石穿过云层降落。
下晕了怀孕的女人
Yes, okay, you got it.
吓晕了怀孕的女人。
Okay. To read this.
A meteorite fell through a cloud, frightening frightening pregnant women. Okay.
What did you say?
I was just reading the English side of it.
Okay. So how to read this? How to read this one?
What?
Which? Which one?
Can you see the mouse? You cannot see the mouse.
The pointer is not pointing at anything. Where is the pointer?
How to read the falling stone?
Okay. A meteorite. A meteorite. Meteorite.
I mean Chinese.
Okay, okay. 一颗云云席
陨石 yes. How to read
云
the
席砖
how to
Chuan.
read this? How to read the pregenus?
一颗云席砖
Pregenus.
砖 means to wear something. How to write what?
怀孕
Yes, 怀孕. Okay. I guess the internet is somebody slow, right?
万云
That'll be slow. Okay. Okay. How to read this? Ying.
鹰
Ying.
音
Ying is eagle.
Yin.
Okay.
Eagle.
Yin.
Ying.
鹰
Yin.
Okay. So Ying.
Yin.
鹰
Ying.
Yin.
影
Yang.
影
Yin.
Ying.
Yin.
影
Yin.
Ying.
影
Yin.
Not yeah. It's ying. Ying.
影
Ying.
Yin. Yin.
Yes.
影
Yin.
Ying. Ying.
Yin.
影
Yin.
I heard you say yeah. It's not yeah. It's ying.
影
Ying.
影
Yin.
Ying.
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 Yes.
Ying.
Now it's correct. Ying.
Ying. Ying.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. How about this? Ying. Read together.
Ying
This
Ying
Ying.
Wu
Wu.
you learned
Wu.
before, right? Ying Wu.
Yin. Yu.
Ying
The bed,
Wu.
right?
Yin
Wu.
Ying
Yes. Ying Wu.
Yin Wu.
And the second,
Yin Wu means what? A bed, right?
parrot. Okay.
Parrot, okay.
Parrot. Ying. How to read this?
One yin, it means welcome.
Yeah. 欢迎.
欢迎
One yin.
How about this?
One yin. Or Chong.
The 欢迎 is one word. This three is one word.
萤火虫
Yes. 萤火虫.
Yin Huan Chong, okay.
Do you know what is 萤火虫?
No
Huan looks green.
It's a fireworm. Fireworm. Do you know fireworm?
Fireworm. Okay, okay. It's a worm that lightens. It brightens. A worm that brightens, right? Yeah, it's a worm that brightens. It shows some colors and lights.
How about the girl? Do you get
Okay.
it?
Yes I get it
Yes.
Okay. This is okay. The fireworm is 萤火虫. Okay. 萤火.
萤火虫
Yes. 萤火虫. Okay. The third one. How about to read this?
影者
Mhm. 影子，影子，
影子，
影子，
影子。
影子，
影子
You can say this. This is 影子。
啊，OK，影子，
Shadow.
Okay.
哦
Shadow. That's shadow.
是的，
Okay.
Shadow.
影子，
Okay.
影
影
子。
子，
嗯哼
影子，
影子，
Yes. Okay. The last one. 放 What's that?
映
放
放
映，放映。
放
映
映
Yeah.
放映，
放映。Yes. Like you showing a movie and playing a show, kind of like this. So it's 放映。
Okay. Video recording.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah, we get it.
Okay.
映，放映，
放映 Yes, it's 放映。
放映，放映。
Everybody understand?
Yes，老师，
Lot of mercy.
Yes. The sentence is really easy.
正在放映的
正在
电
放
影
映
中
现
出
在
现
放
了
映
鹦
的
鹉和萤火虫 parrots and firefly on
正在放映的
appeared
电
in the
影中
film being shown. 现在放映的电影中出现了鹦鹉和萤火虫。
Yes. Okay, what is 电影 What is 电影
电影 movie
Yes. How to read the parrot?
tục là nó parrot鹦鹉
How about the fireball?
鹦鹉，
萤火虫
萤火虫。
萤火
Vậy chứ không
虫，
Yes.
học viên
Okay.
rong rong
Okay,
You are
the
doing what?
last
Are you copying
is
notes?
Uyên
Yuan.
Uyên
Yes, wrong. 圆
round round
Round.
Okay. Okay. 圆
Uyên
圆
Uyên 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 Uyên
Next one.
Yuan. 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 Yuan.
I didn't hear the third one.
Uyên
Yuan. Yuan. Yuan.
How about the third one?
server
圆
Uyên
圆 It's
圆
Yuan.
No. 圆圆
Uyên Uyên
Yeah, this one is 圆
Uyên cái mà
Yes. Do you remember
Yuan.
how to
Yuan.
read yacht?
Yuan.
Do you
Uyên
remember how to read
Uyên
yacht?
dạ
How to read
Yeah.
what?
Yacht.
dạ
What's that?
How to read the yacht.
cái mà
As in garden. Garden. Do you mean garden? Yacht.
Right.
As in garden. Okay. As a park.
Yeah. Kind of the
You-
yacht and the park is different thing, right?
Okay.
Okay. How to read this? Can you read?
Young, young,
Uh-huh. How about the first one? Yuan yang.
young.
Do you know what is yuan yang?
No.
Yuan
That's
yang is a Mandarin duck. Mandarin duck.
duck.
Mandarin
Okay.
no.
That
Oh,
word
Mandarin.
is so funny because when I search, I found Chinese have Mandarin and the Cantonese. So yuan yang, when in English it's Mandarin duck, means
Mandarin.
Mandarin duck. As in Chinese
duck.
Mandarin.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
Chinese duck. Okay.
only in China have this kind duck,
Of duck.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
So it's yuan yang.
Yuan yang.
This word have really good meanings. Always when this come out, always 2 by 2, and you can see also in the picture. There are in the good meanings in Chinese. They that they are couple. So always use this word to couple. Okay. You got it? Did you got
Yeah, there.
get it?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we have got it.
Yes. So this is really good meanings in Chinese in China.
Đại kê.
Okay?
Okay.
Thôi nó thiến này trong miếng này tục trao này.
Okay. Yuan yang. Remember yuan yang.
Yuan yang.
Yang,
Uh-huh.
Yuan
Yes.
yang.
Yuan yang.
Yuan yang.
Yuan yang.
How to read this?
Y
Yuan,
yuan
Yi
qian.
yuan xian. Yi yuan xian.
Yes. Yes. What is yin yuan qian?
Yes.
It's
As in 1
money.
yuan. 1 yuan, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Also, the wrong we can have 2 words is 圆圈,
Yuan Qian,
Yuan xuan.
圆圈.
Yuan
Yuan
Qian,
xuan.
Yes.
Yuan
Also
qian.
can means round. Okay. The third one.
远绕远远绕。
Yuan. Yuan yao.
No. This is the first one. This is the first one.
遥遥远。
Yes.
遥远。
遥远. Do you
遥
know
远。
what
遥
is
远。
遥远?
Hello.
Yao yuan.
遥远 means far, and the
Far,
distance
okay.
is so long. It's far away.
Okay. It's the same as just yuan.
遥远
遥远，
遥远。
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 远，
遥远。
Okay. The last one. 院子.
院
Do you
子
remember this word?
hospital。
院子.
燕子，稍等。啊，
Do you remember before I
院。
sentence? In the sentence have this word 院子.
燕子，
Yes. No.
No? Oh my god.
院子。No.
院子 is yard. Yard.
Yard. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Mong buồn.
Okay, the sentence. What's this?
远处远处圆形的院子
行。
里有一堆绵羊在戏水。
戏水. 戏水 also is word
戏对，
戏水 is the straight meaning is like the playing word in the water, playing in the lake, playing in the sea with the water. Also, we can say 戏水, or we can say, okay?
Okay.
Dạ.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
戏水 I don't get it.
Fish is like
戏
play.
水 is water, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, like play.
Yes.
No, I don't
水 is
understand 戏水.
It's
水
playing.
is the water, but 戏水 is kind of like playing in the water, like that.
Okay.
Kind of like playing in the water.
Okay.
Did you got it?
Yes. But
Okay.
Hello?
Okay. Read
Yes.
again. Read again.
Water. Oh, okay. Playing in the water, okay.
远处，远处，
远处
圆形
圆形
的院子里，
的院子
Water, okay.
有一对
Yes, I've got it.
有一对
鸳鸯
鸳鸯
在戏水。
圆柱圆圆圆 yeah 圆柱
嗯哼，
圆形的圆
圆形的，圆形的，
圆形的，
圆形的，
圆形的
嗯哼，院子。
院子
Okay, continue.
里有一对鸳鸯子在戏水
Okay,
戏水
okay.
戏
How to read monthly
Yeah, okay.
ducks?
I'm back. My internet service got
鸳鸯
How to read the yacht?
院子
Yes, I heard.
燕子
Okay. How to read this?
圆
Far.
远
How to
处
read far?
远处
远处
Okay. So this is all. Until now, we learn all the
圆柱
letters.
圆
Yes.
圆柱
远处。
远处
So until now, we finished all the integral syllables. Okay, we
Okay.
finished this.
圆柱
Oh, we finished. So we read again about this. How to read this?
因为
因为月
This.
音
月
乐
Okay. This.
行
银行银行
This.
引诱
引用音
小
小
节
节音达
No. 打印。
打印
音达
打印
打音打音
Yeah. The first is remind
Da.
you. Yeah,
Yes.
the red word read
okay.
this letter, so I make this
Yin,
line.
yin way.
Okay.
So what is 打印?
Print.
Dai is print.
Yeah, okay.
Mm.
Okay. The
Da
next
yin.
one. How to read this?
晕倒，
是引导。
晕倒，
晕倒
晕
is
倒，
晕
a
倒，
倒 is a third
晕
tongue.
倒，
晕倒.
晕倒，
Yes. How about
晕
this?
倒，
晕
云彩。
彩，
彩，云彩，
Yes. Mm-hmm.
这是
云
许，
许，
Mm-hmm.
这是什么什么？
允许，
Mm-hmm. 陨石.
允许，
允
时
许，允
运
许，
输，
这是
运
运
输
对
书，
书，
要不然
How about this?
这是
歪书，
怀
卫
怀孕
生，
怀
怀
孕，
孕，
怀
怀
孕，
孕，怀孕，
Okay. How to read this?
这是云雾，
晕舞，
Mm-hmm.
云雨
What's
这
this?
是
，sparrow，
什么？
烟花，
晕欢迎，欢迎，
烟
Mm-hmm. What's this?
晕火冲，
欢迎，
Mm-hmm.
欢迎，嗯，
How about
烟
this?
火中，
晕者，
萤火
颜
中，
色，颜色，
This is 影子.
影子，
晕者，
This the tongue is not correct.
颜色，
影子，
颜
影
色，
子.
影子，影子，
Yes.
颜色，
How about this?
颜
这是放映，
映，
放映，
映放，
放映.
放映，
放映，
Yes.
放映，yeah，
Yeah, the word
放映
is start from here. Here is not the word, okay? The word is from here. So it's 放映.
放映。
Yes.
OK，
哎，你把不是整的，
放
What's this?
鸳鸯，
Mm-hmm.
在哪？
一眼牵，
就是一
一眼牵，
Mm-hmm.
眼牵，
What's this?
就是远牵，
Mm-hmm. Okay.
一
眼
远
腰圆，
身，
腰
远
圆，
Yes.
遥远，
Yes.
燕子，
是颜色，
Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. So, so I will give you a point. Is about this. Just now I said, if you say only this word, 子 is a third tongue. 子 Okay.
子，
Listen carefully. This is an important part in Chinese. Sometimes when two words together, the second one sometimes is no tongue. No tongue means means no. It's kind of like this. It's like this. Can you see the difference? Why is have tongue? Why is no tongue, right? Can you see?
yes.
Yes. So sometimes in Chinese, the two words together, like this word, 影子,影子. Yes, in here the 子 no tongue,
子
no tongue, very softly, very softly. 影子 when you read it softly. 影子，影子。
影子
Can you repeat after me? 影子，
影子
影子，
影子，
影子
影子，
影子，
影子。
影子，
Yes, it is not same with the first time, but is similar with the first time, but it's not same, not the first time. Is when you read is softly. 影子，影子。Yeah, this part is important in Chinese. Also, it always come out with another word. So when we only learn PE, we will not introduce the tongue with no tongue. So only with the word, it will come out. So we will introduce this and remember this, okay? Sometimes when you heard the sound or it's different, the tone you read wrong, but it's not wrong. It's the no tone sometimes, okay? Can you understand what I say?
Yeah.
Okay, remember how to read this?
Yeah.
段，哪
How
个
to
叫
read this?
颜色？
影子，
影子，影子。Okay. So until now, our class is over. This is an important part, okay? This is an important part. I will ask you next class, okay? 影子
影子，
，yes, okay? 影子。
影子。
So until now, our class is over. Thank you guys.
再见。
谢谢老师啊，
谢谢老
谢
师。
谢。
谢谢老师。
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, if you have any question, you can ask now.
OK， 现在没有问题啊。
Okay. So remember what we learned today, okay?
OK， 没事。
OK。
好了。
Okay. See you next class.
现在是后头见。可以说后头见吗？老师？
Sorry?
我说可以。